Here are some keyboard shortcuts that are helpful for working with files that have a lot of columns in MIObdt. They all have corresponding menu items if you'd rather do that. You can hide a column through Ctrl-H. Ctrl-U will bring up a window showing all the hidden columns, and you can unhide one or more of them at a time. Sometimes you'll have a file with lots of columns. 300 or more is not out of the ordinary, but you end up with columns you just keep coming back to during an analysis. In this case, you can just type a column number, like 6, to quickly jump to that column. Column numbers with double or even triple digits can be entered if you do it fast enough. Usually, though, I only remember a bit of the column name, or even wonder what columns exist. And in that case, Ctrl-L opens a substring search dialog where you can enter all or part of a column name, like SS. If there is a direct match, or a single partial match, that column will be selected. But if there's a partial match with more than one result, choose the column from the resulting dialog.